Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ricardo, and today I'll be sharing with you 5 tips on how I become a better artist. So let's get started. Alright, guys, I'm about to share 5 tips on how I become a better artist. Number one, have a clear idea of the type of artist you want to be. Do you want to be a concept artist? Do you want to be a background artist? Do you want to be a mechanical artist or animator? Knowing the type of artist you want to be will definitely help you focusing on the type of direction and how to study to become a better artist. Number two, cater your journey to that path. Once you figure that out, you want to start doing a lot of research, a lot of Googling, start looking up other artists and start practicing around that and do a lot of research on the type of professional in that field as well. Number three, practice, practice, practice. Yes, I know you guys all heard this before, but it's very important. You basically want to focus on, if you want to be a character designer, focus on anatomy, poses, clothing, and other character related stuff that cater to becoming a character designer. Also, what helped me out big time, you want to first start on pencil and paper. You want to do traditional drawings. So you want to basically do all your drawings on pencil and paper, and until you get a bit better on pencil and paper, then you can transfer to digital, because once you do most of your practicing and learning on pencil and paper, once you transition to digital, you're basically on easy mode. It's like you can undo, redo, erase, all that stuff. So if you are practicing on traditional, you know, you have to be careful in how you don't want to make that much mistakes. You have to be careful on certain things. So it's definitely going to be an easy mode once you transfer it to digital. Number four, no excuses. You gotta draw every day, like every day. You gotta make it a habit. I always remember when I was in high school working at CVS. After I come after work, dead tired, you know, I still able to do my homework barely, and I couldn't go to sleep without at least drawing something. I gotta draw something. It's basically you're training your brain like anything else. You gotta draw every day. It doesn't matter how tired you are. Even to draw eye, it doesn't matter. You gotta draw something. You gotta be crazy dedicated. Number five, you gotta be disciplined. Like you gotta be a crazy person. Like you gotta want it. Like you gotta be like something's wrong with you. You gotta want this. So guys, you're not gonna learn this right away. You definitely gonna cry. A lot of times you're gonna feel so frustrated. You just want to rip the paper up. You just want to cry, break the pencil, punch a wall, scream at someone. You're gonna get very frustrated, but you gotta stay focused. You gotta push, push, push. So what I normally do, if I'm getting frustrated with the entire drawing, I would pick up a part of the drawing and focus on that. Like for example, if I'm drawing a face and the nose not fitting properly, the eyes is all weird and stuff, or trying to draw the face is all weird, what I normally do is just focus on the eyes, practice on that, focus on the nose the next day, practice on that, focus on the mouth the next day, practice on that. Gotta remember, Rome wasn't built in one day, so yeah, it's all about practice, man. You just have to keep dedication. You just have to keep at it, keep at it, keep at it. Anyhow, guys, so that's my 5 quick tips and how I become a better artist. Hopefully, it helps. Anyway, obviously, I have a lot more left on this picture, so sit and relax while I speed through this drawing and yeah, grab some popcorn or something. I don't know. It's not that long. Alright guys, if you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment below. I'll talk to you guys later.